we're together gonna get that super life!
Wow!
I tracked him down. I mean, how'd you even know he'd be here?
I didn't. It so happens my class was on a field trip here today. I left my favorite comic book in the can, and I just came back to get it.
Listen to me, you little... Oh my gosh, it's you! It's really you! I'm your most biggest fan! I have so many questions. Is it true that you have a T-Rex in your Batcave? What ratio of potassium nitrate do you use in your smoke bombs? Oh, how many miles per gallon does the Batmobile get? City and highway. Right. Down to business. Let me just say it was an honor catching one of your arch nemesises.
Don't listen to the poser, Batman. Your old buddy snagged the bad guy.
He's lying!
I'm not.
What did he say?
He said, nice going, wanna bat. You let the Riddler get away.